What is going on, guys? Good morning. It is 5:40 in the morning, um, and we have a 5-hour road trip ahead of us. Any guesses as to where we're going? You guessed it, Tail of the Dragon. So we're going back again, second year for classic Hondas on the Dragon, and I won't be taking the S2000. Instead, I'll be taking my Turbo 8th Gen. I have my brother-in-law and my sister going, so that's why I'm not taking the S2000 this time. And I was working on it all week. I didn't get any videos for you because I was just pressed with time, but everything is good to go. New control arms, inner outer tie rods, sway bar bushings, brakes, all the whole nine. So she's good to go now. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there.
Hey, true, bet that up for the track. You know, take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.
Alrighty, we finally made it. A little late. They're already making announcements about leaving. We got here at 12, so we'll see what we got, and I'll see you guys at the Dragon.
I like the yellow.
So many Hondas. That is crazy. Something tells me a Dominican owns this. That is insane.
I'd like to tell you just where I'm from, in the hills where the trees go wild with we build the bridge with shields holding the blue steel. Greenhouse effect.
There you go, Cynthia.
DEA can't keep the green thumb in check. HPS got bless the whole crop. Please
Yes,
God, don't let me
sir.
see no cops. Truckload ready to hit the highway. Don't let the eye in the sky fly my way. Or we're gonna have big trouble, that's no joke. Can't be going without no permit, but that I carry the sexy trip. That way when they come, they can suck.
Yo, I feel like my chest. The new Integra. I don't know, press it and find out. Mugen wheels. I like the interior though. So cool. Oh no.
What's your name? Deidre, you're the next person. Thanks, everybody. Take your time, please. Just don't get in a big rush. The police are going to help us get out of here. They're only going to let us.
Alrighty guys, we made it here to the tail of the dragon. As you can see, the tree of shame right behind me. We have the motorcycles on this side, and then the actual Hondas are on the other side. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and strap the GoPro on my head, and then we'll take you for a POV. This NSX is clean though. He couldn't hang, passed out. Got nervous.
Doing this.
I'll be grabbing on for dear life. That looks crazy. Alrighty guys, so I wasn't really recording too much, so yeah, I didn't really get too much video, just enjoying it. Whatever you guys saw is all I got. Here at Fontana Village, where I was last year, this time with the Civic. But yeah, tomorrow is the Fontana Dam meet, so I'll see you guys in the morning.
Tell me what to